New Zealand is proud to produce the world's best kiwi fruit, and Zespri is responsible for supplying it to consumers around the globe. Each week between May and November, a ship originating from the other side of the world docks at the port of Zespri with a valuable cargo. Zespri manages over 30% of the world's traded volumes of kiwi fruit and exports to over 60 countries. Each year, approximately 100 million trays of Zespri green, sun gold and organic kiwi fruit are supplied to international markets. Utilizing reefer ships and container ships, Zespri cost-effectively transports New Zealand-grown kiwi fruit to markets in Europe, Asia, the Americas and other emerging markets. 60% of the New Zealand kiwi fruit destined for the European market is unloaded in Zeebrugge, the rest in the port of Vado and Tarragona, from where it's distributed further. The kiwi fruit terminal in Zeebrugge is a modern port, guaranteeing speedy transshipment of goods, thus ensuring that the cold chain is hardly interrupted. Zespri has a storage, cooling and packing plant of 35,000 square meters. Each pallet and each box on the pallet have their own unique barcode. This barcoded box of fruit can be traced from the moment it leaves New Zealand until it reaches the shops. This track and trace system allows Zespri to know exactly where consignments and fruit are at any point during the entire supply chain. Temperature and environmental conditions are monitored constantly on the fruit during its long journey by sea, ensuring that the cargo remains in optimal conditions. This ongoing care for quality is strictly maintained throughout the whole storage, packing and distribution process. In Zeebrugge, the fruit is stored in cold stores at a constant controlled temperature in dedicated pallet locations. Quality control is carried out immediately after the goods have been unloaded. The people charged with this control have undergone specific training. The control comprises checks for firmness, monitoring the sugar content, as well as a visual control of the fruit. Six-box erecting machines produce up to 35,000 tray boxes per day. Between 100 and 150 people work in the packing plant, where around 20,000 pallets are handled per season. Zespri Kiwi Fruit's modern automated packing plant has a surface area of 4,000 square meters. Here, the fruit is packed to customer demand. The packing unit is equipped with a 6-lane grader with firmness testing technology. The Zespri packing line is nearly fully automated, and the unit can process 10 pallets per hour. The final positioning of the fruit in the tray is done by hand, along with a continuous human visual control. There is a continuous quality control on appearance, firmness and sugar content on all the green, sun gold and organic kiwi fruit packing lines. These control results are coupled with the traceability code of the batch. Each tray is scanned, thus creating a link between tray and pallet. The packing plant is certified to pack organic fruit in a dedicated area. The Zeebrugge packing plant is BRC certified and meets all needs for food safety. Zespri Kiwi Fruit anticipates the demand from the distribution for consumer packaging by also delivering, among others, pre-packs. The GS1 traceability system is also put into operation here. The fruit, correctly packaged, is now ready to be transported to its final destination. The refrigerated trucks undergo a strict hygiene control prior to loading. Each and every load is traceable right up to the moment it reaches its final destination somewhere in Europe, where consumers are enjoying the superior taste of Zespri kiwi fruit, full of essential vitamins and minerals which are important for our health and well-being. The European consumer who buys Zespri Sungold Green or Organic can hardly be aware of the story that lies behind Zespri kiwi fruit. A story that brings us right back to once upon a time in New Zealand.